Welcome back to Side Hustles from Canada. Well, in this video, I'm sharing a screenshot of my November sales from my Redbubble shop. You might notice I have hidden the product names that make these sales. I will explain later why later in this video. So let's focus on today's video. I recently made my first sale on a greeting card, and to be honest, I never paid much attention to this tiny product before, but when the sale came through, I realized I had been uploading my designs the wrong way the whole time. I felt so bad for the buyer who received that card, so I did some homework and figured out the right method of uploading designs on greeting cards. So as we all know, this is Christmas, and it's a good time, and it's a very potential product for this season. So I made a video of, and I hope if you are making the same mistake, you can avoid by watching today's video. So here you can see, I will show you an example. This is the right method of uploading a design on a greeting card. Here you can see there's no white space on the upper end or the lower end of the card, and I will show you how you can do it the right way. When we upload designs on Redbubble, we usually use the standard dimension for t-shirts, that is 4500 pixel into 5400 pixel. So here is where mistake happens. We often use the same image for all the products including greeting cards. If you do the same, you will notice the white borders on the top and bottom of the greeting card. So to fix this, we need to resize our image. So for that, if you go to Canva, we can't do it because Canva didn't allow us. The right image size for a greeting card is 5100 pixels into 7000 pixels, and you can't do this on Canva, so we need image resizer for this purpose. So we will go to bittable.com. It's a free image resizer, and here we will first upload our image and then we will set the new dimensions. Once we set the new dimensions, we will download the image, and then on Redbubble we will upload the new image with different dimensions. On Redbubble you have the option for every product you can upload a separate image file. So here you can see, once you set the new dimensions, make sure your image is in the center. If it's not properly aligned, you might lose some of your image from the borders. So once it's done, we will download it, and then on Redbubble, from manage portfolio option, we will go to the design section, and here we will click on the image where you want to make changes. Once you are here on this page, we will go to the greeting card options. Here we have, so from replace image option, we will upload the new image, the same design but with different dimensions. Even at this stage, while uploading your design, make sure your image file is in the center, it's well aligned, there's equal distance on the upper end and lower end of the greeting card. It's very important. So once it's done, we will click on the last box and we will see our final product. And now you will see there's no white border on the upper and lower end of the greeting card. So here you can see this is the older version of my greeting card and this is the new version. So now I'm simply uploading my design on Pinterest and on Twitter. So in the beginning of the video, I told you guys that I was hiding my products that are making sales. The reason is there's a seller from Florida and she copied my designs, and there's another seller on Etsy. And recently I discovered that on Etsy, one of my best-selling design, someone is selling it as a digital product, PNG. And on Redbubble, that lady, she copied 3 of my designs. And the fun part is I recently made some edits on those designs, because when they are selling, I thought I should make it much better. So I made some few edits and I re-upload them. And that lady, she literally she copied it and put it on her shop on Redbubble. So I'm now contacting Redbubble because I have all the proofs of my designs, my first design, my second design, and my latest edits on those designs. So this video is not about copycats, it's a total different topic. So I don't know why people they copied other people's design. If you don't know how to do it, you should simply not do it. So today's video is not about copycats. I just want to clarify why I was hiding my products. So it's a very good habit. Every single time you add a new design on your print on demand shops, whether it's on TeePublic, Shopify, Etsy, or any other platform, always share it with all of your followers on all of social media accounts. It's very helpful, and this habit will bring a lot of sales. I hope if any one of you is making the same mistake that I was making, this video will help you. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching.